Hello, thanks for stopping by. Brand new channel. This is the first video of it, just an introduction of what the channel is going to be. The amateur paint-in is exactly what that is. I'm the amateur. It's going to be a paint-in. I'm hoping you'll all join me. It's not going to be painting lessons. I personally don't have the knowledge to give the lessons. I may have some tips and tricks I could pass on to you, but I'm no pro by any means. I don't have a ton of talent. And I don't have a ton of money to be buying expensive painting stuff. So if you've ever thought, I don't have really good gear, I don't have great paints, I don't have paintbrushes, I don't have any talent, don't let that stop you. If you want to paint, damn it, just paint. Dollar store. You can get anything like this at the dollar store, at least here in North America. Dollar store paintbrushes. You got all kinds of them. Dollar store canvases, small, medium, large, and huge, and even extra teeny tiny ones. Dollar store paints, pretty much any color you can imagine, you can get them. It's going to be fun. I'm hoping this is mainly going to motivate you guys to just at least pick up a paintbrush and slap some paint somewhere on a canvas and get rolling. You never know, you might discover you have amazing talent. Most of you are probably going to paint better pictures than me, but that's absolutely perfect. That's good. You might realize eventually that, oh, the amateur painting, okay, I need something more structured now, which is good because at least maybe I will have got you to paint in the first place. So if you think you have no talent, or you're just shy, your inhibitions or your lack of self-confidence or excuses, they're all excuses. None of that matters. Just go to the dollar store or whatever you can afford to purchase, spend money on. Like I said, these things from the dollar store, they're perfectly fine. And if you paint something on this canvas and you really hate it, just get some dollar store white paint all over it, and start all over again. So you can reuse the canvas if it really sucks that bad. But I highly doubt anything you're going to produce is going to suck that bad. I think most of you are going to realize, hey, I'm actually pretty darn good. So anyways, I hope you follow the channel, and I hope you like the videos and hit the notification bell. I'm hoping to upload a new video each week. At the beginning of the video, I'll show you what I plan on painting, and just paint along. And in the end product, your picture might look completely different from mine, and my picture might look completely different from what I was trying to paint. But that's okay, because I'm an amateur. I'm not a professional. I'm just trying to motivate you and get you painting. So forget about the inhibitions. That's not what matters. Take care. I'll see you next week. Bye.